Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the font file and ensuring you can legally use it. That prevents later surprises. Once done, upload the TTF or OTF into Google Drive or host it where Slides can access it. Then open your presentation and install a font manager add-on like Extensis Fonts or use the new Custom Fonts feature if available. This bridging step lets Google Slides detect and list your font so you can apply it directly to text boxes. Now, use the add-on panel or custom font picker to locate the uploaded font. You will see a live preview. Select it and apply it to your slide master first so styles propagate consistently, then adjust individual text boxes for spacing or weight. If Slides does not embed fonts natively, export the presentation as PowerPoint, embed the font there, and re-upload. This ensures recipients see the font even when Google's renderer can't host it directly. Finish by reviewing your slides across devices and browsers to confirm the font renders correctly. You want headings, bullets, and spacing to match. When sharing externally, export a PDF to lock in appearance and advise recipients to use the embedded file. If the custom font fails to load, switch to a visually similar Google font or a web-safe fallback immediately, because that prevents layout shifts. This single substitution often saves the presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.